Tourniquet engine 1N382. Turning good. At the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice, same as well like altimeter. And on this side everything's good. Install the starter without any damage. Same as well like a gearbox. Everything nice. And on this side engines looking good. Engines turbo not broken, as you can see. Turbo turn. On the top plastic slit without any damage, and on the bottom our sump without any cracks, no leaks, and Tourniquet engine 1N382.